Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. So in previous video, we learned about how to construct angles. Now today, we will learn how to classify angles. That means what type of angles are there. So based on the degree of measurement of angles, the angles are classified as the first type is acute angle. Now what is acute? The angle whose measure lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay. So, or we can say that the angles which are less than 90 degree are called acute angles. So, whenever here is your acute angle. So, as you can see here, there are two rays and they are forming an angle here. So, this angle, its measurement lies between 0 and 90 degree, or it is less than 90 degree. So just when you bend your elbow towards your head, so it is of the shape of acute angle. Now here are the examples of acute angle: 30 degree, 55 degree, 89 degree, 40 degree, etc. So all these angles are less than 90 degree. So we can classify these angle as acute angle. We can say these are acute angles because their measurement is less than 90 degree. So here is my angle. Now if I measure this angle is of the measurement, it is about 50 degree. So here it is showing 50 degree angle. So its measurement is 50 degree and 50 degree is less than 90 degree. So we can say that 50 degree is an acute angle. Now the next one is your obtuse angle. The angles whose measure lies between 90 and 180 degree. So the angle which are more than 90 degree. The angles which are more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree are called obtuse angles. Like example here is your 135, 91, 179, 110. So all these angles are more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So here is your example of obtuse angle. So when here it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. As you can see that it is of the shape like when you open your elbow. Okay, when you open your elbow, okay, you keep your elbow just in a at a distance from your head. It is just like you when you open your elbow, when you open your arm. So it is making an obtuse angle. It is more than 90. Okay, so we can measure it also. So it is more than 90 degree here. So as it is showing 130 degree over here, so we can say that it is an obtuse angle. So here is one more example here. I can also measure it here. It is showing 110 degrees. Okay, 110 it is. So it is more than 90 and less than 180. So it is an obtuse angle. Now the next one is your type right angle. So the angle of measure 90 degree is called right angle. So the angle which is 90 degree, okay, the angle which is equal to 90 degree is called right angle. So here is your right angle. It is of the shape L. Okay, your alphabet L is there. It is of the shape L. So this L shape is making 90 degree because when we measure this type of angle with the protractor, okay, so here is your 90 degree. It is showing that it is 90 degrees. Okay, so right angle is equals to 90 degree. Now the next one is your straight angle. As the name is showing, it is of the straight. It is straight. Straight means just like a line, it is straight. Okay, so the angle of measure 180 degree is called straight angle. So whenever there is a straight line, that line is always making an angle of 180 degree. So we will say that when we measure it, so this ray is moving here, first ray is just joining with 0 here, and we will count up to, and the next ray, second ray is pointing towards 180, so it is 180 degree. Okay, so here is your 180 degree, and we call it semicircle, the angle of semicircle. Semi means half of the circle, so the angle of half of the circle is your 180 degree. Semicircle is having 180 degree angle. So here is your straight angle. So this is your straight angle. These two rays are showing straight angle. Okay, so it is equal to 180 degrees. Now the next one is your type zero angle. So zero angle means an angle which is equal to 0 degree. So how we can have 0 degree angle here? So here we can have 0 degree like if both the rays coincide with each other, if they are just overlapping each other. So these two rays are making 0 degree angle because the first ray is here at 0 and the second ray is also at 0. Okay, both these rays are coinciding or joining each other, so they are forming 0 degree angle. So today we will learn about your acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Then it's your right angle. Right angle is equals to 90 degree. Then next one is your straight angle, which is equals to 180 degree. And the last one is your zero angle, which is equal to 0 degree angle. So now let us learn this through one more example here. I have this paper fan here, and when I look at this fan, so when here is your paper fan, and when I fold it like this, it is making, if this is your baseline, and I open it little bit, so it is making an acute angle. As we can see that it is less than 90 degree. Now if I open it one more, so just opening it more, and it is of the shape L. Now it is making L shape here. Okay, so here is your L shape. So this straight line and the base line, it is making L shape, so it is of 90 degree angle. Now if I open it more, little bit more than 90, this is your 90, if I open it more than 90, so it will be your obtuse angle. It will be your obtuse angle. And if I open it more, just like keeping it like yeah, so here is your straight angle. It will make a straight line like this. So this is your 180 degree angle. So dear students, go through this topic and do your worksheet. Thank you.